Well, as quickly as it started, that rain stopped again, leaving a lot of water. A lot of water. I will tell you that this area right here, although we had set a record of 62 inches of rain this year, I've been working out in this yard and it's been just bone dry, which we were fortunate that it hadn't rained much in August and the first part of September. But you know, when it rains 45 minutes and drops 2 inches of rain, this is what you get. That was refreshing walking through that ditch, I'll tell you, because it feels like it's probably 60 with the wind blowing out here. Inside is 77.